Here we go. We're going to look at what does compare mean in math. So in math, compare means to examine the differences between numbers, quantities, or values to decide if it is greater than, smaller than, or equal to another quantity. By comparing, we can define or find how much a number is greater or smaller. For example, comparing 700 and 800. 700 is less than 800. We use these symbols to compare. I always think of them as a mouth eating the bigger number. And if you forget which one means less than and greater than, I just write two numbers. Could even be like 1 and 2. Put that symbol there, and that helps me to know, because I have to read it out loud. So this means less than. So 700 is less than 800. This symbol means greater than. So 800 is greater than 700. This is equals. So I wrote 700 in numeral form and in word form.